Today, I'm going to show you the Linear Tank Configurator. It enables you to create new or customize existing tank families in Revit with only a few entries. Since tanks are usually specific to a particular plan and therefore vary greatly in size and connection possibilities, it is often necessary to configure this tank family individually for the respective project or to adapt already existing families. The Linear Tank Configurator supports you in this. On the one hand, you have the possibility to design a container from scratch by defining the base body and desired ports, or you can use an already existing family to customize it. In order to make a customization, you first load the tank with its properties into the configurator by using the button Get. Here you can see the base body shape and the already created ports. In our example, we have already installed two ports on the body, one for hot and one for cold water, as well as a port at the bottom of the tank, for example an empty port. Now you can edit the individual elements as you wish. For example, you can adjust the size and shape of the body. I decide on a slightly larger tank and also choose a flat bottom instead of the torus spherical head. The dimensions of the existing side ports can be easily adjusted and additional ports can be added. I choose DN25 for hot and cold water, and now I want to add a connection piece for the hydronic supply and one for the return. For this purpose, I select New Port and define the desired dimension and position. With a comfortable copying function, I create another connection piece and define the system and the placement as well. As a further side port, I add a blind flange on the back of the tank. By choosing the alignment, this is also easily done. I simply enter 180 degrees and the port will be on the back side. Finally, I configure a port on the top of the tank. In our case, I simply position it in the middle. Alternatively, a concrete alignment would be possible by entering a radius and a desired angle. In addition, I define a smaller wing flange to shorten the port a little bit. In the updated preview, I see the result and can now customize the tank in the project. Once defined tank configurations can be saved and reused. So you can create the suitable tank for your individual plant in only a few clicks and use them in your Revit project. The Tank Configurator from the Linear Desktop for everything that has connections.